Para makapag-avail ng housing loan sa Pag-ibig, ano ang income document na dapat isubmit ng isang employee ng private company dito sa Pilipinas? Bilang locally employed ng isang private company, you can submit any of the following proof of income. Number 1, Certificate of Employment and Compensation o ang tinatawag nilang CEC. It should be latest, original, and duly signed ng authorized signatory ng employer. Or number 2, latest ITR or the income tax return with attached BIR Form 2316, duly acknowledged ng BIR or authorized representative ng employer. Or number 3, a certified true copy ng latest 1-month payslip. Maliban sa income document, kailangan ding mag-submit ng letter of consent ng applicant na nag-o-authorize sa Pag-ibig Fund na mag-conduct ng credit and background investigation, and it should be duly received by the employer. Ito ay compliance na rin sa Data Privacy Act na sinusunod sa ating bansa. Yan ang kailangang submit ng isang locally employed sa isang private company sa kanyang pag-apply ng Pag-ibig Housing Loan.